The Competition Management System, or the CMS, is AIFF's official web-based tool, used for the management of competitions across the country. CMS can be accessed from the AIFF portal login page, using the registered user ID and password. User interface varies according to the role of the user and the corresponding CMS access type. The organizing entity is given a special tournament admin access to create and manage tournaments, whereas the participating teams can access the competition management section from the AIFF portal homepage, which has links to centralized registration system, accreditation system and TW3, as well. While clubs and schools typically participate in tournaments, the associations can either take up the role of a tournament organizer, managing tournaments within their scope, or be a participating team in a tournament organized by the national body. CMS can be used for tournaments organized by the state associations in which clubs or schools registered under the particular association participate, or for national tournaments organized by the AIFF in which the associations participate, or the tournaments organized by AIFF with clubs or schools as participants. Let's take the example of a tournament organized by a state association for the clubs, to familiarize with the steps for creating and managing a tournament using the CMS. The association can create the tournament in the CMS using the tournament admin access provided by the AIFF. Navigate to the Tournaments tab, provide the name of the tournament under the Add New option and click on Create button. In the Tournament Details page, the team type, tournament type and season should be selected from the drop-down lists. As we are discussing about a tournament organized by the state association for its clubs, the team type should be set to clubs and tournament type should be set to state football competition. Tournament start and end dates along with the venue of the competition need to be mentioned. In case of competitions with age restrictions, cutoff for date of birth needs to be stated. Deadlines for registration of players and submission of entry form and documents should also be set. Minimum and maximum number of players to be registered by each club as well as maximum and minimum players allowed on the field need to be mentioned. Maximum and minimum substitutes options refer to the number of players that can be registered as substitutes for a match. Maximum substitutions allowed in a match should also be set. Other important parameters like yellow card suspension rules, maximum foreign players allowed on the pitch as well as in the squad, and match duration should be entered. Foreign players can be indicated in the start list and match reports by setting the foreign player tag to yes. To indicate players belonging to a specific age category in the list, add a reference tag, mention the date of birth reference and set show date reference to yes. To request body measurements of the players while being added to the tournament, the body measurement option should be set to yes. Upload the tournament logo and click on Save. Identity card and certificate for the tournament can be designed by uploading the background images and selecting the format of the iCard. In the Documents page, the association can define the types of document that need to be uploaded by all the participating teams. To add a new document type, click on Add New Document option. The name of the document, type of document and the type of file need to be selected from the list. Examples of player documents include pre-competition medical assessment document, player insurance and player remuneration documents. Documents like coaching certificates and degree certificate of the team physiotherapist can be requested as the official's document. Examples of team document include entry fee payment proof, BADP guideline confirmation and players registration checklist. All clubs eligible to participate can be added to the tournament from the teams page using the Add New Team option. Team documents can also be viewed in this page, once uploaded by the team. Registrations remain open until the deadline date, but registration status of individual teams can be manually set to open or close even after the deadline date, if the situation demands. The complete structure of the competition can be defined in the Stages section. Multiple stages of the tournament can be set up using the Add New option, by mentioning the name, type, and yellow card rule of the stage before clicking on Create button. In each stage, multiple groups can be created using Add New Group option. Teams can be added under the groups or even outside the defined groups in each stage of the competition. In the Match Officials section, Add Match Official option is used to search and add officials to the tournament. A match official may be assigned a particular role, or multiple roles based on his or her competencies. List and identity cards of the match officials can also be generated from this page. In the Fixtures section, Add New Fixture option is used to add an individual match fixture. All details pertaining to the match, including the proposed schedule and venue details, should be mentioned. Match officials selected for the tournament have to be assigned the roles of match commissioner, referee, assistant referee, fourth official or referee assessor. Upload Fixtures option can be used to add multiple fixtures at once, using a single spreadsheet file. Format of the file can be downloaded from this section. Details of the fixture should be saved exactly as specified in the format, separated by commas. The file should be saved in .csv format and uploaded. After successfully uploading the file, fixture details can be edited and match officials can be assigned from the Fixtures page. Match reports, as and when uploaded by the officials, appear in this page during the course of the tournament and can be downloaded by the tournament organizer. Clubs can manage the tournament from the Competition Management section within the AIFF portal. Quick links to each of the participating tournaments have been provided in the homepage. Alternatively, clubs can navigate to the Tournaments tab and click on the Manage button corresponding to the participating tournament. The initial step to be taken from the club's end is to submit the entry form along with the declaration of participation. The club has to mention the color specifications of its home, away and optionally the third kit in the entry form. It has to be submitted within the entry form submission deadline. Teams can proceed to further steps in the tournament management process only after getting the entry form approved by the association. The association has to approve the entry forms submitted by the participating clubs from its tournament admin access profile. The entry form submitted by each team can be viewed by the association in the teams section of the particular tournament. The association can approve or revert back the entry form, citing remarks for changes to be made by the team. Entry forms reverted back by the association need to be submitted again after making required changes from the club's CMS profile. After the approval of the entry form, teams can add those players to the tournament whose profiles are approved in the CRS. In the Tournament Management page within the club's CMS profile, navigate to Select Players section and search for the players to be added using the player name, player ID or date of birth. After adding a player to the tournament, provide his or her basic details in the Details section corresponding to the player. Documents requested by the association have to be uploaded and submitted. The skeletal maturity details of the player, if available, can be viewed by the team. Players can be removed from the tournament using the Delete option. All player registrations should be completed within the registration deadline. Club officials like managers, head coach and physios can be added to the tournament from the Select Officials section by clicking on Add New Official option. The officials whose profiles are approved in the coaching portal can only be added to the tournament. The officials' documents need to be uploaded and official type needs to be selected from the list and saved. Options to view the profile, delete the official from the tournament, and mark the official as inactive have also been provided. Finally, documents related to the club, as requested by the association, can be provided in the Team Details section. Upload the document file and click on Submit. Players added by the teams should be verified by the association in the Players section. The player's CRS profile summary is visible from the Details option corresponding to the player name. The player's documents uploaded by the club should also be verified and locked by the association. If any document uploaded by the team needs a change, the association can keep the document unlocked and refer it back to the team. If the association is satisfied with the uploaded documents and player status after verification, the player can be approved by clicking the Mark as Verified button. Identity cards and certificates of the players can also be downloaded from the Players section. The profiles of club officials added to the tournament, as well as the documents uploaded, have to be scrutinized by the association from the Officials section. The association can refer back the request to add the official, in which case the club has to make the necessary changes and resubmit the request. If no further change has to be made after review, the association can approve the request by clicking Mark as Verified button. ID cards of club officials can also be printed from this page. Replacement requests. If the tournament permits, the team can replace a player already added in a tournament with another player by creating a replacement request from the tournament management page in its CMS profile. Navigate to Replace Player section and select the player to be replaced and the replacement player from the list. Mention the replacement date and the reason for replacement in the remarks. Upload the supporting document for the replacement and click on Submit. Replacement requests from the clubs need to be approved by the association from the tournament admin profile. Association can verify the request and replacement document from the replacement section and can either approve or delete the request. Claims for match officials, if applicable, can be defined by the association in the claim amounts section. Allowance can be given to the officials on a match-wise basis or a per-day basis. Extra allowance can also be allotted in addition to the day-wise allowance. For journeys carried out by the match officials for the tournament, travel allowance can be granted by the organizer. Claims can be made by the match officials for every 12 or 24 hours of the journey, as decided by the organizer. The association can also grant an incidental amount for the officials, if necessary. The stages and groups of the tournament for which the claims are applicable can also be selected by the association. Claim requests need to be submitted by the match officials for all applicable matches from their CMS login access. The association can view the status of the claims corresponding to each of their tournaments in the Claims page. Claims not filled by the match officials appear in the Not Filled section, whereas claims not submitted appear in the Draft section. Submitted claims appear in the Pending section and can be viewed by the association individually by clicking on View button. The association can either approve, refer back or reject the claim request. Claims referred back by the association need to be submitted back by the officials after making the necessary changes. Approved claims can be viewed under the Approved section. Associations can manage the payment of the approved claims only if they possess the accounts access provided by the AIFF. Association needs to submit the claims to the bank for processing the payment using the official's bank details provided in the match official's bank details page. Depending on the status of payment transaction, the claims can appear in the paid or rejected from bank sections. All statistics related to the tournament can be viewed in the Statistics section in Tournaments tab. In the Cautions and Expulsion section, a gray color indicates that the player is ineligible to play the particular match due to expulsion in a match or accumulation of yellow cards. Players can be blocked from playing a match in any of these circumstances, or for any other disciplinary proceedings, by clicking on the particular match and mentioning the suspension details. Match results, goal statistics, team reports, player reports and other reports related to the tournament can also be obtained from this section. For all competitions where the association is a participant, it has to use the competition management section within the AIFF portal and not the tournament admin access used to create tournaments. After the AIFF tournament admin adds the association to the tournament, further steps like submitting the entry form, adding players to the tournament, adding club officials, uploading team document and creating replacement requests can be carried out by the association. For national tournaments organized by the AIFF for clubs, the procedure to be followed by the clubs is exactly the same, as in the case of tournaments organized by the state associations in which the clubs participate. Once added to the tournament by the AIFF tournament admin, the clubs can perform the necessary actions from the competition management section within its profile.